What's up, everybody? Today, you just do that to do that?
Yeah.
Is your name Fart Knuckles?
Fart Knuckles?
Thought you said Emma didn't say that.
No.
Wait, I think it's the second time I've heard you say fart.
It is.
Huh?
She did it on purpose, it is.
No.
What's up, everybody? In today's episode, we are going to talk emergency roadside kits. Okay, so this one is from Walmart, and this one is from Autozone, and they are pretty close to exactly the same thing. The only difference really is the Walmart one comes with a headlamp flashlight instead of a handheld flashlight. And Walmart's has a rain poncho in it, and AutoZone's doesn't. The difference in price is 11 cents. So, to go over what Walmart's has in it. Jumper cables, headlamp, like I said, flashlight that wraps on your head, 3 AAA batteries, an emergency rain poncho, 1 safety vest, 1 fabric blanket, 1 20-piece first aid kit, 1 pair of safety gloves, 1 durable carrying case, 1 heavy-duty tow strap that's 12 foot long, capable of pulling 4,500 pounds. Workload limit is 1,500 pounds. Okay, that's Walmart's. This is AutoZone's. AutoZone's case has 1 durable carrying case, 1 pair of jumper cables, 8 gauge, 12 feet long, heavy duty tow strap, 3,000 pound capacity, workload limit 1,000 pound capacity, 1 rubber flashlight, handheld flashlight, 2 AA batteries, an electric flare, which is just a flashlight that flashes red, a fabric blanket, a pair of safety gloves, an emergency poncho. Actually, I said that this one didn't have a poncho, but apparently it does. And then it's got a first aid kit as well. We won't go into all the details about what's in that first aid kit. It's a typical first aid kit. All right. So those are the cheap, I'm gonna just buy one and throw it in the car, emergency roadside kits. Now, if I was to make my own roadside kit, first thing I would get is a set of jumper cables. And I would get 4 gauge jumper cables instead of 8 gauge jumper cables, because the lower the gauge, the more current, and if you're driving an SUV and you need your SUV jumped off, those 8 gauge cheap jumper cables that come in these kits, they'll get it jumped off eventually, but you'll still be sitting on the side of the road forever. Whereas if you get a set of good jumper cables like these, if the battery's the issue, these will get you taken care of real fast. All right, so there's your jumper cables. Then I would get one of these cheap little air pumps, because they may take a while to air up your tire, but it will get the job done if it's a little hole, and it'll get you to the store. Your local Kroger has free air. If you live in an area that's got a QT gas station, they provide free air, and this will get you to one of those, or your local tire shop. If you got a Walmart nearby that's got a Tire Lube and Express, this bad boy will get you aired up so you can get there. All right. I would also get the headlamp style flashlight. That way your hands are free to do whatever you need to do while you're working, and wherever you're looking, you have light. It comes with 3 batteries for it. This is the cheapest headlamp I could find at Walmart, and I highly recommend it. And if you need to flash red to warn people away from you, it does it. Alright. Then, I've told you this before in my tire change video. I hate the tire iron that comes with it. You can get one of these. It's a fold-up tire iron. It's 4-way. So you can get your lug nuts off easier. I would also get a little cheap 5-in-1 like this one. It's the cheapest one I could find. It's got 2 size Phillips head and 2 size flathead. So in case you need a screwdriver, you'll have one in the car. Also, I would get a carrying case to put all this stuff in. I would get a tire hole repair kit like this one. They're not all that expensive, and this has everything you need in it to repair the tire if you just got a little hole. I will also do a video on how to do that at another time. The emergency poncho, I do like that idea. Cheap $2.50 blanket, just in case you get stuck in the cold. Safety gloves, $2.98 for a pack of 3 versus $2.88 for a single pair. So I went ahead and got the 3-pack. And a little first aid kit. Now the question is, did I get the right size bag for all this stuff? So we're gonna find out, and I'm gonna try to put everything in here. So let's get started. Alright. So, here's the deal. I was able to fit in this, like I said, the cheapest tool bag that I could find at Walmart. The 3 pairs of safety gloves, flashlight, screwdriver, first aid kit, jumper cables, tire repair kit, and 4-way into this bag. I was not able to fit the air pump, the poncho, and the blanket, okay? Number 1, you probably have a blanket laying around your house that you can use, save you some money. You don't have to go out and buy this. That being said, like I said, this was $250. It's not a big hurt to the wallet, but it's also not going to fit in this particular bag, which is real cheap. So you can grab this and throw it in your trunk and just have a blanket in your trunk for emergencies. To be honest, we got 2 blankets in our trunk and neither one of them are in a bag or anything. So you don't have to have it in the bag, but it's a good idea to have in your car. Poncho, I mean, unless you live in Florida or the Gulf somewhere right now, a little bit of rain ain't gonna hurt you. Not 100% necessary. And this, you could just stick this in your trunk in the box the way it is. That's the way I have it in my company car right now. It's in the box because I have one of these as well. That's how I know they work. But it's not going to fit in this particular bag. You could get a bigger bag where it would fit if you want to. Also, when you're looking at your jumper cables, you want to make sure that there are no frays or any exposed wire on your jumper cables. And I will get more into that in another video when I show you the proper way to jump vehicles off. So there's my pick for a emergency kit for in your car. Autozone's bag, Walmart's bag. I hope this video was helpful for you. Also, just so you know, this kit with me picking everything was about $102. So it is a lot cheaper to just go ahead and buy it already done if you're not really worried about it. But if you want to make sure you have everything you need and you want to do it yourself, it is more expensive. That's what makes these great deals, just to grab and throw in your trunk. But I was asked what I would personally have in my car, so that's why I went ahead and made my own kit right here. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this video. Enjoy the ride, and we'll see you next time. What? Why are you staring at me?
I'm staring at you. I'm not staring at you. Roadside kid.
No.
It's bougie.
It isn't bougie. If it was bougie, it'd be a lot more expensive than what I got.
It was bougie. They'll say it's bougie